Hey guys, Aaron here in the garage with Help Me DIY. I'm gonna bring you another tool of the week today. So somebody that watches my channel sells some of these LED lights for your garage and offered to send me one to try out. So if you haven't seen my lighting, I have some really cool LED 8-foot bulbs that I got on YouTube. So I told him that I wasn't able to test them out, but I had a buddy that just has a single light bulb in his garage. This is the kind of garage that these things are made for. And I told him I'd give it to him to let him try out. So we did that. This is Zach's garage in the original form with just a single light bulb. You guys know how that looks. It's definitely not enough light for a garage if you're gonna do something. He had already gone and upgraded that to using kind of a, I think it was maybe a 2 or 3 foot LED light that he got at Home Depot. And you can see this, he did a little review of this light before we went back and pulled it out and reinstalled just the outlet or the socket for a single light bulb. And we installed this product. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you the difference between these three scenarios. And if you want one, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can check it out. Overall, I think it does a fantastic job of lighting up your garage, especially if you just currently have one single light bulb. Makes a huge difference, but I just want to let you guys see it for yourself.
Hey, this is Zach. This is my garage. Nothing fancy, pretty standard as far as garages go. One of my biggest complaints is that there's just not enough lighting in this garage. Really the only source of light is a single overhead LED bar, which broadcasts light pretty much straight down, maybe a little bit off to the side. But really a lot of shadows that are cast given the position of the light. A lot of dark spots underneath things, really hard to see. The garage door opener is not much better. It casts a lot of its light directly up. And those are just standard bulbs, so even that light doesn't travel very far. But really, I could use a lighting improvement. So tomorrow, my buddy Aaron from Help Me DIY just might have a solution for me. He's going to come by and we're going to do something about this. So check it out.
All right, here is the kit. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. So we have two of these things. We're just going to use one of them today. It's as easy as unscrewing your standard light bulb, screwing this thing in, and all these little fins fan out to spread light. So all unpacked, it looks kind of like this. It's fairly small. We'll see how it does.
Jesus.
Yeah. It's a little bright up close, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, here is the garage with this one light on now. And yeah, you can see it's bright enough to be casting a big shadow of the garage door opener light. So what do you think? Is this brighter than the other one, Zach?
Yeah, definitely brighter. I think I'm going to play around with the angle of those fins so that it can direct like more against the workbench.
Yeah.
I didn't really have that with the other picture.
Yeah, but it's really lighting this thing up a lot right now. So. All right, and of course, if you had two of them in your garage and you put another one over there somewhere when your garage is closed, then it's definitely gonna fill up a standard 2-car garage with plenty of light, I think. And of course, you can play with those fins on there to angle them depending on the shape of your room. So I think it's pretty dialed in like that. It's definitely an improvement. So if you're interested in these, I'll put a link to them in the description of this video. You can pick them up on Amazon. They're under 50 bucks for a set of 2 of them. So go check them out and let me know in the comments what you think about these things. All right, I hope that was helpful, and stay tuned for other Tool of the Week episodes. I have a link to some of the other previous ones in the description of this video. If you don't mind giving this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and you will get more Tool of the Week content. Thanks, guys. See you next time.